Heavy battle ongoing in Biafra land as I'm talking right now. You need to watch this video and see how person is being burning like a crayfish. Hey, Chineke me, things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome, and do not forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. My people, they say kasala don burst and they say water don pass garri. They say yawa don gas. This one na kukukum ekukukum. No be small thing o. Go look into the Gbenge news where they get for hand today. A lot of things don't happen. They saw some gunmen will be say it be like say they be Biafra Liberation Army. If you hear sound of gun, you go know say gun get level. The gun the sound kukukum, it the sound kakakam. Even the people way pass where this thing happen, you go hear wetin they talk for their mouth. He say this one now war movie as they hear the kind of gunshot where they hear for here. He said they never even hear am for war movie today. Things happen. We go play you the video, may you watch, and after you watch the video, we'll come back on talk. We'll get a lot of things to talk today. May you stay gada, no go anywhere. Today, not today, we'll die here. We'll be smart, you know. Okay, we'll go watch the first video. May you see what thing they happen before we go watch the second video. Stay tuned and watch the video with me.
Let's go. Hey, what on this? Now we not be them.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, and a lot of things really happened today, and which we are going to talk about it today. It'll be smart, you know. They say yawa don gas and they say water don pass garri. For the society where we dey, a lot of things are really going on. So those who know, those who don't know do not know. But where we are getting confused in everything is that it's only today I see Nigeria media's reporting. Okay, the Punch newspaper say breaking news on. They say government kill 8 Nigeria soldiers and policemen in Imo State. This is happening in Imo State. This is the first time I'm hearing them reporting this incident that have been going on for a long time. If we see how this man, this is a total what we called men jam men. We hear men jam men. This is what they called men jam men. All of them are armed, both this one, both this side, but it's like the power is too much. Let's play you the video where you watch, because we'll get a lot to talk about this incident that happened here today. Let's watch the video together where we'll continue.
Yeah, he lost in the police. Boy. Lekweno, agekuru.
Omega live.
He lost. He lost our boy.
This thing now 2 healers.
So
security healers.
Lekweno, udire babara here. Now come on, butanka ajide. Come on, but lekwe bullet.
Come when you lewe war film.
Lekwe bullet. Lekwe mbo. Okanko. Lekwe no. Lenom de mmadụ nwụrụ anwụ. Lekwenu mmadụ. Lekwenu ndị mmadụ. Human being kwere. Lekwenu human follow human being no. Lekwenu guy lekwenu mmadụ be mo. What they police officers. Yeah, police officers. Yeah, our police officers. So, yeah, our police officers. So, they go no Jesus, 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 Jesus. They go no police officers. So, they can't go. They can't go. They can't go. Man cannot elu moto. Man dey no n'ime moto. Man dey no n'ime ya. Ha gwụrụ.
Okay, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back to Barnabas Jesus. I've watched that video and see what happened here today. You know, there's something you people have to know. You see, a monster cannot just wake up and become a monster. They made a monster and they create a monster. If you bring out a stick, maybe a stick, you keep that stick in your home and start worshiping that stick. One day you will feel that there's something has possessed that stick because you choose to worship this stick. And this is what is actually happened. I remember back in 2014, I think 2014/2015. I'm going to show you the picture here now. Those people are with flag. Here they have lost a lot of brothers, a lot of their loved ones, their friends, because they raise flag and say what we need is freedom. Okay, I'm going to show you the next picture, which is the next thing. After this protest, they end up in burial of their loved one, which they go to protest with. And I'll still show you the last picture, who they are now, and some of them where they are. So is it how we're going to create a lovely and a happy society? This is the question. Don't worry, let me just show you the whole picture when everything happened and for you to see. So my advice to them here now at this point is, let there be dialogue. Guns and bullets cannot solve this thing that is going on. When people say we need freedom, give them freedom. Give them freedom. Let them be. Holding them down with guns and bullets is not the solution. So this is my advice to them. So those men that they are shooting, killing, arresting, adopting, their family are still in tears. And look at what is happening here today. If you people keep coming in like this, you are creating more monster that you will be afraid of. Even when you hear them, they are in this junction, you will run away. So the blood that the Nigeria have spilled in the lands of Biafra is speaking out. My good people, now so we'll see more, and I will say more, bring a congivana. Let's go and look into some tweet coming from PM Webby Simon Ekpa today. We are armed, well armed like them. They come with machine gun and we have machine gun. The only thing we don't have now is armor tank, and I am mandating the Biafra Liberation Army BLA from now, do not to burn any armor tank. Collect it from them and collect it. We are going to need it. PM Simon Ekpa of Biafra Republic Government in exile. This is actually coming from Simon Ekpa direct. I say things are really happening. And Simon Ekpa also went ahead and sent a message to General Innocent Orji. Let's read it at. He said, my message to General Innocent Orji, he should stop communicating with whosoever he is in communicating with immediately, from China Saworu to anyone in the US, including those who deceived him when I had meeting with him. They are tracking your location to the enemy. Cut all communication and remain indoor for now. PM Simon Ekwa. Third, General Innocent Oj, which the key three of his men yesterday by Nigeria Joint Force, Army, Police, and other Nigeria Force. This is what is happening in Biafra land as we are speaking. Yeah, my wonderful people. Now so we see am today, oh, and now so we'll carry and come give una. I beg, may you no forget to share this video. A lot of people don't know what is going on, and they need to see it. This is happening live in Imo State. All this are happening in Imo State as we are speaking. Imo State has become a hot zone since all these things started. Because according to what we are hearing, they say is there that is the terrorists want to decide on. That's why it has become the base where all these things are going on. So the Biafra said no, their land is their land, and no one will take their land from them. So fighting of survival and fighting of liberation. I think those who call themselves the federal government lack wisdom, because if they have wisdom, they would have released Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not even make attempt to adopt him from Kenya and extradition him to Nigeria. Because there is some things you do, you created more opportunity for so many, for common people, even people who don't even have mind to join the struggle by force. Because there's some people who love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so much, and they are ready to give their life for him. So this is what is going on inside East. Although Simon Ekwa have spoken and said that those who come to their land to kill them will die there. And so many media have taken it up there that the government have killed Nigeria Army, Police, and other force today. A lot of things have happened, and some people are saying, why are they not respecting the coffee, which is the starting from 6 to 12 noon? Why are they not respecting it? Things are really happening. So when I told you people that the Igbo Southeast governors has no control over their state anymore, they think that they just there answering them governor, but they don't have control anymore, because people have lost trust in them, and it will take them eternity to ever recover this position. Because the fate of the people, they think that everything can be normal again is only when they have their own country. So they have totally failed. So now so we see them today, and I will say more bring a con give una. I beg, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video. Very, very important. Thank you for watching.